Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, my FedEx mans just showed up, and hopefully they're my wheel hubs and my tires. Well, unfortunately, it came with my tires. Well, I can't, I need the hubs to do anything. So, but at least the tires are here. I've got to go downtown and see if I can match up those U-bolts. And once I have U-bolts done, then I can secure the axle. But so what we got right now is the tires. Alright, here's my tires. Only that, but I went back down to Tractor Supply and I got the next smaller U-bolts. And I think they're going to be all right, because once you pull it down tight, it's going to crimp down anyway. So, and as you can see, when they were crimped down, it crimped down tighter anyway. So I think we're going to be all right. The other thing is, this has got a stud sticking out of it. There's a little stud in here that goes into this little plate. Underneath, you've got the same scenario, see? And that goes into here. So basically all your U-bolts are doing is pulling them together. So anyway, that's where I'm at. We'll get these installed. Then the next one will be getting my hubs in a day or two. Okay, here we are. All right. Okay, here we are. I got my U-bolts down just a little bit, so they slide into the bottom carrier through to keep the springs together. Tension on it, but I don't know how these are going to be. It's not going anywhere now. It's usually, you can see 3 threads out the bottom of your nut here. So I don't know what they want for torque. Let's see. This is fits most 2000 rated axles, which is about right. Inch and 7/8 round tube, so should be about right. Doesn't give me any torque, but it's probably a good idea to torque it every so often. Torque the same. It's not going anywhere. So, all right, so I'm done on this side. Let's go do the other one. See how close that is? It's just kind of on the outside of it. So once this is pulled down, it'll be the exact same. Pretty much the exact same. You ain't got no play, because it's locked here and it's locked down here too. Do the other side. All right, we're back. Get my bolts bent just the way I want them. Cleaning up under here. Now rust under here. Put this on. Keep saying this one. All right. Now the holes are drilled a little different. Go this way. The original size of the U-bolt would have gone through it. Going this way, being long ways, I had to bend it a little bit. Took care of that. The other thing, if you lay it this way, it's too short. Your U-bolt's kind of curved like that. So just put it back in the same position it came out of. That's what I know. Zero more than that. Got Teflon locking nuts. If I were to change this scenario here, replace the axle, I'd go ahead and put a galvanized, everything I would have galvanized. Everything on a boat trailer should be galvanized, not steel. This is exposed to water, you know. Get on there. It's going. We're making it work.
Oh yeah?
Making it work. My wheel hubs tomorrow. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, way stronger. This is more beefed up than it needs to be, of course.
Well, you said you couldn't find the piece.
The piece.
The U-bolt.
Oh yeah. No, I went with the next smaller ones than I ordered. It works.
I can't figure out if my refrigerator is cooling or not.
It'll take a while. It only takes 24 hours.
I wasn't sure.
It's a whole different. It's not compressor. It's something else that I can't remember what.
So it doesn't make a noise.
It don't make a noise, no.
But as long as I reach in there and touch my freezer and it feels cold, it thinks it's working.
Yeah, what happens? I don't remember what the heck it is.
Yeah, I didn't remember either.
It's like a Freon filled.
Well, I cleaned it out. I'm gonna grab my water and put it in it. And it either works or it don't.
It's technically a 9/16.
If it don't, I'm sure
Off
you can
of here.
figure it out. But I think it does. I think it just is gonna take a while.
What?
Lee came in and hung out for a little while.
Okay.
Laid on the floor and looked at me, and I said, well, lay down, because he's not dirty, so he can lay on the furniture.
Well, yeah.
But he's always had to be on the furniture, because he was always dirty.
Yeah.
But he's shaved, so he ain't hurting nothing.
Nope.
I'm going to go upstairs and grab me a drink and see if I can get them chairs out of the bedroom, because I want to put them on the deck.
Okay. All right, that completes this evolution. I actually got the torque wrench and I started torquing it up just so I could start seeing the lower plate here just start to tweak a little bit. And when I did that, you can see we just about have 3 threads, just about where you're supposed to be, and it wrapped right around the top just like I wanted it to. So same on the other one, you're seeing about 3 threads just as that bottom plate starts to bend. These are hardened. I think these are pretty hardened steel U-bolts, so they're not gonna definitely not gonna break. They're not gonna stretch too much, but they will bend. So, and those bent right around there just about right. So again, you're not worrying about the axle slipping back and forth because it's on a plate, and that plate is sitting inside of a little dowel that goes through the springs. And the exact same thing down here. You can see the bottom of the bolt. I think that probably is just a bolt head, but there's no way that's going to slide. There's no way it's going to tweak out of there or anything. So, all right, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Next video on this thing is going to be getting the wheel hubs on here, and then getting the tires on. And we're going to get it out of the garage here. The next step is going to be getting this registered. And unfortunately, I got it from somebody who got it from somebody else. So it doesn't have a title. It doesn't have any registration. So I've got to go through the process of registering a homemade trailer. And talking to DMV at the moment, I need to have a law enforcement officer come down, verify that there is no serial number or registration number on the trailer or on the neck. And then he's going to give me a piece of paper verifying that. Next step I got to do is I got to take it down to a certified weight scale. And then I got to get a weight certificate that tells me that's going to tell DMV how much this weighs. And then they will charge me per curb weight for the registration fee on the trailer. So there we go. They'll probably ask me, well, how much weight are you going to carry on this thing? Well, at this point, only about 80 pounds. So, well, maybe a little bit more, because the platform I got on here probably weighs about 30 pounds, because I was able to lift it by myself. So probably a total of 200 pounds at the most. So that's where we're at with this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. If you have anything that needs to be searched for, or someone to be searched for, please leave me a comment and we will catch you on the next Searching For. All right, well, this is the end of the day, and look what just showed up. It's about 6 o'clock, and the wheel hub showed up. All right. Hey. Not bad for a Monday. Wheels in the morning and the hubs at night. I would rather have had the hubs in the morning and the wheels at night, because then I want to be able to get them on it. But it's all right. I had to go downtown, and as you saw in that video, get the U-bolts put on. So that was a little bit of a run anyway. So really had to do that before I got the hubs. So stay tuned.